In this video, I will share with you how to build an e-commerce website using Hostinger website builder. First, visit hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account. Now go to websites and click on this add website button. Select Hostinger website builder. Now give the Hostinger AI your brand name, for example, handcrafted goods, and describe your project or website in a few sentences. For example, I want to build an e-commerce website to sell my handcrafted goods. As you can see, this is a great description. You can check this option of adding an online store to your website. Yes, I want to build an e-commerce website. Now click on create a website and wait a moment. This is the website I got using this prompt. And if you are satisfied with this result, just select your color palettes. From here, I will go with this blue. If you are not satisfied, just click on this create again. You will return to this pop-up. Describe your website or your e-commerce website in a different way and hit create a website. After that, you can see the second version. If you are satisfied with it, select it. If you want to return back, just click on this version history. And here you can select your version 1, 2, 3, and so on. As you can see, you can select from the last 5 versions. You can also check the mobile version of your website from here. After that, click on continue. Nice, create multiple product page template. Let's close this pop-up, and this is your website. Don't forget that till now your e-commerce website is still in the draft. So to publish it or to make it live, click on this go live button. And to give your website a visit, click on view site. And this is your new e-commerce website built using Hostinger website builder. This is some of your available products. This is a review sections, an artist creations sections, and the footer. Let's say you want to edit this home page. Just select the section you want to edit and click on this edit header, for example. From here, you can show or hide many things in your website. For example, the logo, the social icons, the show button, and so on. Same thing for here for this this top bar. You can just double click the text and you can edit it. After that, let's say you want to edit this background section or this section background. Select it, click on edit section, and you can replace this image using photos from your computer or free images provided by Hostinger. Now let's jump to the e-commerce section of your website. Just click on manage store or this shop icon or this shopping bag icon. From here, click on products, and you can quickly manage your store. If you want to visit the dedicated store area of your website, just close this one and switch from website builder to manage store. And now you can check your store orders, create new products or manage existing products. This is a new feature, turn on product reviews, create an appointment if you want, create discount codes, manage your product categories, check your analytics, or even edit your store details like store name, regional settings, company informations, your payment gateways for your store, create your shipping settings, and also editing the checkout page. And this is how to build your e-commerce website using Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.